Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSN Cards coming back at you once again. Box of 2009 playoff contenders. There's a checklist right there. Looking for 4, possibly 5 autos. Guaranteed 4 per box. A lot of boxes have those Legends autographs in them. So, we'll see what we could get. First pack, we have an insert Sean Nelson, Lewis Murphy. Not numbered, of course. Base. I think there's actually 2 packs in the box, each box, that have all base. The others have mostly an insert or an auto. Insert Rookie of the Year, Percy Harvin for the Vikings. Looking for a nice legendary auto, which would be nice. I think we hit a nice Sean Green auto, which are short printed. Jets rookie roll call of Mark Sanchez. Would like to pull his autograph. Insert for the Packers, B.J. Raji and Clay Matthews. I really wish they numbered those cards. Some of them I think are numbered, but the majority are not. Curious to see what the print run of those are. First autograph will be for the Panthers. It'll be Sherrod Martin. Sherrod Martin for the Panthers autograph. There it is. Next, B.J. Raji and Michael Crabtree insert. Next autograph will be for the Rams. 09 rookie Brooks Foster. Brooks Foster for the Rams. So not Bradford. We're looking for Bradford in the 2010 stuff. Rookie of the Year of the Titans, Kenny Britt. And for the Titans, Warren Moon. A lot of packs to go through in this 09 Contenders. We're not even halfway through the box here. Yeah, hoping for a nice legend auto. Brian Cushing for the Texans. Not guaranteed one of those legendaries, I don't believe, but most of the boxes I've done, we hit one. And when they insert those, you do get 5 autographs in the box. Yale Larry for the Lions. So here's the last pack of the first stack here. '09 rookie of Cameron Amora for the Seahawks. Actually, that's numbered at a 99. Sorry, numbered at a 99. All right, second half of the box here. Still looking for guaranteed 2 autographs. That's an all base pack. Chargers insert Larry English and Demetrius Bird. Where's the autos? Got a bunch of packs left here. Yeah, a lot of the boxes do have 5 autographs in them. So, I mean, we'll see. I done boxes I had 4, though. Rookie of the Year for the Cardinals, Chris Beanie Wells, not numbered. Next pack. These cards don't want to come out of the pack. Ray Maluga for the Bengals. 2, 4, 7 packs remaining. 7 packs. There's a Bengals. Oh, if that was autographed. For the Packers. Not autographed, but Brett Favre insert. Hoping that was the legendary auto. I don't even know if he's in this set as an auto. Colts insert Donald Brown, Austin Collie. Alright, still looking for at least 2 more autos. 4 packs left. We only hit 2 autographs so far. Hoping for 3 in 4 packs. We got a redemption. Rookie tickets, card number 107. Rookie tickets, card 107 will be right there. If you can see that, it is Michael Crabtree. Michael Crabtree. Autograph. So, not so bad there. It is a redemption, which, you know, I hate out of anyone. But, will be a nice card there. Nice Crabtree. Next autograph. Autos are coming now. For the Raiders, Nick Miller. Nick Miller autograph for the Raiders. Alright, 2 packs left. We got 4 autos so far. 4 autos, looking for the legendary. Let's see if we get it. There's an insert in this of Deion Butler, Chase Kaufman. So, let's see. Let's see if this is a hot pack right here. And no legendary auto. We did hit a gold insert. Deion Butler, Chase Kaufman again out of 100. So, nice 49ers hit there with the Crabtree. But other than that, no legendary, but still a decent box there. We'll be back. GSN Cards is out.